Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to edit the PDF to Confluence. So guys, first open your account on Confluence as you can see here and choose the one page as you can see here and click create a page. After that guys, after create a page as you can see here guys, click this add an image or file as you can see here. Just drag this PDF here guys as you can see here, and you can add it to PDF as you can see here, and you can write a title and you can edit this PDF here. So guys, this is how you can edit PDF. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you another video soon. Keep watching guys. Any question down below in comment and I will answer your question as soon as possible.